Hello, this is Phil Turner with Anywise Enterprise. I'm going to show you more looks here at SchoolBuddy. Here's your icon, click on that. Uh, here's the data I entered in the first video. What we want to do maybe is back that up. We'll go to the Data Management tab. I know these buttons are kind of indulgent in the way they rotate, but it's so easy to do. Why not make your buttons move or something rather than just sit there? I don't know. So you hit back up. SyncDocs is really good software. It's free, it's open source, and if you have a Wi-Fi connection to your computer already, all you do is download it, start it up, and you're ready to go. There's no configure necessary. You just run it and it's ready. Click on SyncDocs, tells you right one file backed up. Now that file is transferred to our computer. We don't have to worry about losing it. It's going to be there. We can back it up there anywhere we want. But let's restore a file, a database that has a little more data. Ask you if you're sure. SyncDocs again, and I think the one I want is right here. It tells you one file was restored. You have to quit SchoolBuddy and restart in order to load the new database. So I will hit the home button, quit, restart it. And here you see my other database. Neat thing about SchoolBuddy again is that you can have many terms all in SchoolBuddy at once. We can go back to fall 2007, see the classes I was doing then. If you select a class here, pre-algebra, go into assignments, you can see all the assignments you had in that class. Of course, if you select on one, you can edit it. You can see whatever notes you had for that class. You could change the grade, anything you like to do. We can go back to the current term here, and you can see it shows us when an assignment is due for each class, when our next test is for each class, and if we go to the calendar, we can see it here graphed on a calendar. On the 4th, for example, we have a test scheduled in trigonometry and assignment due in English comp. Here's your schedule for that day. Kind of cool. What else can I show you? Oh, let's go into the reports. Go to the selector and you hit view, and now you get two other options, reports and graphs. Go to reports, and report card here isn't too interesting for this term because I don't have any grades yet, but let's go back to, let's say, fall 2007. Here's my grades for that term. Again, you got 4 options to input on grades. I only input 3 of them here, 2 of them here, and it shows whatever you input. And that's for the whole term. And then you can break it down. There's nothing in PE, but by class, here's all your tests, all your grades in the test, all your assignments you had for that class. You can do that for each class. That's the grade reports. You can go into time reports. You're 100% through this class because this was an old term back in 2007. Go to the current term. We'll go to the front screen here. And you can see we spent 38 hours in class, 418 hours more to go. We're, 8% through the term. Next test, September 2nd, next assignment due. And that's for the entire term, and it breaks it down by class too. Go to totals report, which will show you all your assignments due, tests due, and all that. That's just for this term. Then you got all time here, and then you flip over and you can see it by class. Kind of cool, and you can break that down to just one class if you want. Physics, and now we just see one class. That's the reports. We can go to graphs here, and I don't know how many grades I have input for the current term. Looks like just one. Let's go back to fall 2007. Here you see some more grades. You can see 1 month at a time, 3 months, or a year. The blue would be your assignment grades, and the red is your test grades. These are your letter grades, A through F. You can go percent, and anytime you enter percentage grade, that would show up here, or just a number. I didn't input any. And you can flip through those. That's basically the graphs and reports. Let me show you the email. Email is designed basically to copy and paste data from SchoolBuddy into a spreadsheet. So say you want to email all your tests. You can choose a particular term, a particular class, or all terms, all classes. Hit send email, and it opens up. And wherever you have a blank field, it gives you a null value, so it takes up that space in your spreadsheet. So you can just email this to yourself, copy it straight from the email program, paste it into a spreadsheet that you have already set up. And you can email any of these data types you like. Put your email address in here. You can delimit it by tabs, pipes, or commas. Don't know what else I can show you. I think that's it. I plan to update it indefinitely, so I welcome your suggestions, complaints, bugs. I follow up every bug report. Let me know how I can improve it, and I will. Appreciate your giving it a chance, and I hope you like it. Have fun. Bye.